In this video we are going to show you 300 calorie breakfasts. Watching the calories in your breakfast doesn't mean limiting your creativity. Try these inspiring sweet and savory ideas. They're easy to make, fun to eat and none clock in over 300 calories. Number 1. Egg and cheese stuffed baked potato. Cook 1 large beaten egg in a nonstick skillet in 1 teaspoon melted butter, season with salt and pepper. Split 1 small warm baked potato and stuff with the scrambled egg. Top with 1 tablespoon shredded cheddar and some sliced scallions. Number 2. Peanut butter, banana and chia toast. Spread 1 piece whole grain toast with 1 tablespoon smooth peanut butter. Slice 1 small banana into thin rounds and arrange on the toast. Sprinkle with 2 teaspoons chia seeds and some ground cinnamon. Number 3. Pesto and Parmesan eggs. Cook 2 large eggs sunny side up in a nonstick skillet in 1/2 tablespoon melted butter, season with salt and pepper. Slide onto a plate and top with 1 tablespoon pesto, 1 sliced pickled cherry pepper and 1 tablespoon grated Parmesan. Number 4. Breakfast yogurt sundae. Use a fork to crush up 1/3 cup fresh raspberries with 1 tablespoon pure maple syrup until saucy. Scoop 1 cup 2% Greek yogurt into a bowl and top with the raspberry sauce, 1/4 cup blueberries and 1 tablespoon chopped roasted almonds. Number 5. Cheesy bacon breakfast tortilla. Top 1 6.5-inch flour tortilla with 2 tablespoons shredded Swiss cheese and 1 chopped piece cooked bacon. Broil until the cheese melts. Top with 2 tablespoons diced avocado, season with salt and pepper. Add a few dashes of your favorite hot sauce. Number 6. Pistachio and pomegranate oatmeal bowl. Top 1 cup cooked oatmeal, prepared with water, with 2 tablespoons 2% Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons pomegranate seeds and 1 tablespoon roasted pistachios. Drizzle on 2 teaspoons honey and finish with a sprinkle of ground cardamom. Number 7. Spicy sausage waffle sandwich. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons shredded pepper jack cheese on a toasted buttermilk waffle. Broil until the cheese melts. Cut the waffle in half and top 1/2 with 2 small tomato slices tomato. Season with salt and pepper and then add a halved cooked sausage patty. Make a sandwich with the remaining waffle half. Number 8. Tropical green smoothie. Blend 1 cup each pineapple chunks and chopped kale, 1/2 cup green grapes, 1 tablespoon each extra virgin coconut oil and lemon juice, 1 small coin fresh ginger and 2 teaspoons ground flaxseed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video. Share it with your friends, and subscribe to get updates on new videos.